How to log in to Trust Wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Trust Wallet app. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device, and once you open the application, you will land on this home page. Here you will be presented with two different options: create a new wallet or add existing wallet. To proceed further, you will need to have your recovery phase ready with you. If you do not have your recovery phase of your wallet, you will not be able to proceed further. If that's the case, then you may need to create a new wallet instead. Here I have my recovery phase ready with me, so I'm selecting this add existing wallet option right here. Once you select this option, you will be presented with various options here. I am selecting secret phase. Tap on the first option. After doing that, you will be prompted to choose the network from here. You can select any one of these, whether multi-coin, Ethereum or any other crypto. I am selecting multi-coin wallet. Once you select it, now you will need to enter the 12-word recovery phase. After entering that, you will need to tap on this restore wallet option. Tap on this button and now wait for a while. Now you will be prompted to create a new password for added security. This password will be used for accessing the application. Once you have entered it, again you will need to enter it to confirm. And after that, if you want to add biometrics, you can also tap on this confirm from this pop-up. Once after doing that, you will see you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet account. Now you can start using the wallet to access your crypto. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Trust Wallet app. You should be able to log into your Trust Wallet account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.